Hi, this is John from Tokyotron, and today we unveil the amazing Tokyotron Japan 3.1 amps, 24 watts, dual-port USB car charger. Grab the latest in USB charging technology from Japan. This luxurious and cool charger for your car features turbocharging, which automatically sends the fastest charge to two devices. Its Smart IC feature auto-detects the connected device to deliver the correct output up to 2.4 amperes in the orange port and 1 ampere in the white port. With its sophisticated overcharge, short circuit, and surge protection circuits, this is one of the safest chargers available. Its unique features include color-coded USB ports for easy understanding of the power generated from each port. Its sleek, compact design made of top-grade aluminum alloy makes it elegant, durable, and compact for easy storage in between uses. Universally compatible, the Tokyotron car charger can be used on all types of mobile devices. Any two gadgets that charge with a USB cable, from smartphones to tablets to iPods, MP3s, and GPS can be powered up through your car lighter socket. It has an LED which lights up when the product is in use. With its multi-protect safety system, it ensures complete protection for your devices. It has high-quality fireproof material and an anti-oxidation aluminum pull tab. This means no radio loss on your car, and it will not affect your other Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices. Made from tough materials to prevent any damage from drops and bumps makes it the best option for long-term use. Why not choose the speed and safety you and your car deserve with the Tokyotron 2-port Smart Car Charger?